Hi y'all, today we're going to resin some rocks. So grab your painted rocks and some gloves. And let's get resining. Okay, let's get started. So today I'm going to resin these beautiful positive affirmation rocks. It's better to have too many things to resin than not enough because you do not want to waste your resin because it's pretty expensive. I use art resin, and it's really great because it doesn't even smell. So basically, you're going to follow the directions on the back of the resin bottles, but I'm going to link everything in the description below, including the supplies and the step-by-step directions. I have these little measuring cups that are great for resin because you put 1-to-1 ratio. And I marked the disposable cup where it is half. You're also going to need stirring sticks. So my top rules for resining rocks is to be prepared. Like I said earlier, it's better to have too many things to resin than not enough. You're also going to want an extremely clean working area. You don't want any hairs or dust to get onto your resin rocks. So make sure you clean up before you start resining. You're also going to want to protect your work area. As you can see, I have a piece of paper or cardboard down so that I don't ruin my table. I also bought these cups. They're just paper cups from the dollar store, and I put my rocks on top of them after I resin them so that I can easily move my rocks to whatever area I need to. After that, I get a disposable paintbrush and paint a thin coat on top of the rock, trying to work out any bubbles that arise. You'll just want to go over the brush with it. And there we are, the beautiful resin rocks. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments below and check out the description. Thanks for watching.